Welcome to Island Girl Garden. Today we're gonna pick some of our citrus fruits. We're gonna pick some oranges today, Hawaii satsumas. We're gonna pick some Nagami kumquat and a pineapple. That's what we're gonna do today, y'all. So we're just gonna bring y'all along, let y'all see what we got. So we starting off with my Hawaii satsuma right here. It's no dumber than 20 no dumber than 20 something. I think like 24. Anyway, we're gonna start with this is my Hawaii satsuma. It's about I had it for 3 years. Some say it's about 5 years old. Cause normally you get it from bound from somewhere. They're like 3 foot tall. They're normally like 2 years old. So I'm saying it's probably like 5 years old, I guess. So we're gonna harvest fruit off of here. And this is like this Hawaii satsuma. Last year this tree had 20 oranges on it. I relocated it. Shit nice and soft and yeah. So she's about ready to go now. So there's one satsuma. And these are other satsuma. The second satsuma, nice and big. There's two satsumas off this tree. Like I said, it could have had more on it, but I pulled them off because I relocated the tree. I dug it up and then relocated it. Also, I did some grafting onto it. As you can see right here, I grafted this branch. This branch right here. This branch. Let me see. Let me get you around there. This branch right here. I grafted it onto my satsuma. This is a grapefruit. You can see the graft right there. I grafted onto that. And I also grafted a satsuma onto it. Let me see if I can get you in a little bit closer right here. The sun ain't nice. As you can see right there, where's it at? Where we going at, baby? Where the graph at? You see the graph right there? Maybe a little bit too close right here. Right here is the graph. And that's the graph to the other one. Right there. So this branch is grafted right here. So those are two branches I grafted onto my Hawaii satsuma. So next year I should have some satsuma, some grapefruits, and a satsuma on the same tree. Now here's my Nagami kumquat. Nagami kumquats are sweet. The skin are sweet. The skin is sweet and the inside is a little tangy. So we're gonna take these off. Take majority of them off anyway. You got a couple of them still green. You can see that's the Nagami right there. You eat it. Yeah. I like two seeds in it. Skin is really sweet. Inside, tastes maybe like a lime, and not as bitter. Got a couple of green ones we can leave on. That's the one we're gonna take off. Couple of them. We got like 4 or 5. We're gonna lay them on there. That's what we got so far. On the Gumby. The Gumby. Kumquat. I have another kumquat too, but the Miai kumquat. Normally the Miai would be the one that fruits faster. But the Miai this year is still green. It's still a little green. And I think they might be a little bit bigger too. They like they might get a little bigger than get a little bit bigger than the other one, so you can deal with that. So we got one more thing to do. Come in here. Get this pineapple off. Cause this pineapple is finally ready for the bake times. Well, let's see if we set you down right here. So you can see right there. There she go. Right there. Go pineapple. This is the pineapple. Time to go. We'll cut it right here. See, good little pineapple. You can smell the sweetness in it. In the top, you can replant this and grow another pineapple. So yeah, it's a nice pineapple. Matter of fact, I'm gonna just take that. Well, I'm gonna leave that for a minute. But once you get to this part right here, this part is not gonna grow another pineapple. But as you can see, you got one come up on the side right there. So I can get you in the picture. I can get you in the picture. Out of there. I'm gonna switch it around on me. Okay, as you can see right here, this is where I cut the old one from. So that part, it ain't gonna grow no more pineapple. But this piece right here, as you can see, is another one right here. This is gonna grow a pineapple. See, it goes down into the mother plant. So next year, well, I'm saying a year after next, because normally it takes like a year and a half, 2 years. So they got one right there. And that's the only one. Normally, it has like some more pups on it. We call these pups. So I'm gonna cut back this part right here. I'm cut it down to about where the pups come out of. And let's let that pup grow off the same roots that the mother plant came off of. And they have some more. As you can see, like I got one right there. That was a pup. Let's see. That was a pup. That was a pup. All these was pups. All those pineapple was pups. And these right here, little ones. So pups too, but they still are pups. Pepper up there dying. And again, I got another one over there. Yeah, I got some more pups. So next year, I think next year we probably get the pineapple off of this one right here. They got like, I gotta pull the pups off of that one. I'm got like 4 or 5 pups on it. I gotta pull those off. They got one right there, another big one right there. And there's another big one in that corner over there. So I should have about, this year I only have 1 pineapple. Next year, probably have like 3 or 4, like I did last year. So we also have a Ponderosa. The Ponderosa is huge, but it ain't ripe yet. Looks at that thing right there. I'm gonna show you the comparison to one of my Satsumas. This is a lot bigger than that Satsuma, and it ain't even about ripe yet. Then we got our limes right there. The Eureka. I think that one down the bottom right there might be ready. We got what, 3? Got 4 limes on the Eureka tree. That's in the greenhouse. That's in the ground. You can see it's in the ground in the greenhouse. So yeah, that's about what we got going on. 2 oranges, kumquats, pineapples, and we got it. We got it going on. Got it going on. So I just want to show y'all what we're picking today. We still got out here, besides the kumquats, we got a Meyer lemon. Might have picked that today too. I think the Meyer lemon ready. I forgot about that. We got another Meyer lemon outside. So this is a Meyer lemon. Seems like she about ready. My first year with this tree. I got it this year. Was it this year? I think I got it this year. Let me see. I got it this year. They grew 1 lemon on it. That's more than I had last year. Had a lot of limes, but got 1 lemon this year. Meyer lemon. Then my grapefruit not quite ready yet. I don't think. It's still kind of hard. I'm saying maybe another week or so. Maybe 2 weeks, maybe a week. I'm gonna pull it off. But she ain't got no more green on her though. She all yellow. She might be ready now. Still kind of firm though. Okay, so that was about it for today. This Island Girl dining it up. Go use some of these. So until next time, leave a thumb up, comment. I'm out.